Hey, I'm Jenks Farmer and have been working on this garden out in Mount Pleasant for a long time. We did the back a number of years ago. Robert Odell and I got that installed. It's grown in really well. Margaret wanted something in the front yard that helped enclose her yard a little bit, give her more of an interior, almost patio feel, and a little bit of a cottage garden feel. So today we're doing the installation. Robert Odell and his crew have taken out lots of grass and given us lots of room around the edges. But like all gardens, like all real gardens, gardens change with time, and they have to include things from the past, the trees and the roots behind us and under us, and we have to be able to look to the future. So what you're going to see today is a work in progress. We have dropped lots of plants in the ground. We're doing lots of layers, thousands of bulbs. We're going to seed in larkspur and some things like that. So this will really look like a cottage garden in April. In April, you'll see a lot of flowering bulbs, but we have to have a season after that, and our hot season is when lots of plants really start to wither. But daylilies look awesome in July. This is one of my favorites. This is Autumn Minaret, which flowers taller than me, bright, kind of mustardy yellow. So it'll go all the way through July and into August. As it starts to fade, we'll have a white aster. This is Boltonia snowbank. It's one of those kind of 1980s plants. So it'll come up and give us lots of white flowers in August.